Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to increase your Google Pay transfer limit. It will be really simple and easy. The only way of changing it is via directing with their customer service. So just easily pull up your Google Chrome on your phone and then just simply type in Google customer service. And here choose the link that will redirect you to about.google. Here you will see a lot of options specifically involving all of the Google services. And here what you have to do is you can simply tap on this help center, then scroll down until you find Google Pay. Here it is. Just simply tap on it. You are going to see lot of options here, but our main goal here is to redirect to the customer service, and then we will be explaining our main issue or concern. Now just simply choose on pay for Google products and services, and then have a request that you would like to get a Google Pay limit increase, and then they are going to be the ones to fix it for you. So you just have to verify and check your email time to time whether the issue was already been resolved or not. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to increase Google Pay transfer limit. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.